Sonakshi Sinha looked lovely in yellow at the press conference of the Filmfare Awards.
I'm really happy to be here today.
As much as Sonakshi was looking stunning, she was also in a super bubbly mood as always.
My first experience of being on stage was with Filmfare when I had gone with my dad, held his hand and waddled up on stage to present an award to, was it Shah Rukh or was it Karan? I think it was Karan for Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I remember that also. And a few years later, little did I know that I would be going up on the Filmfare stage and winning my debut award for Dabang.
लेकिन इस अच्छे मूड के बावजूद रिपोर्टर्स सोना से ज्यादा सवाल पूछने को तैयार नहीं थे।
इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
Hi Sonakshi.
It's really unusual. Nobody asks questions.
Well, सोना पूछने के लिए सवाल तो तब होंगे ना जब आपने पिछले साल फिल्मों में बात करने लायक कोई काम किया हो। और वैसे भी जब आपसे कोई आपकी लॉन्ग एब्सेंस के बारे में सवाल पूछता है तो आप भड़क जाती हैं।
Sonakshi, we didn't see you much this year.
You don't watch TV?
हम आपको याद दिला दे कि सोनाक्षी ने लास्ट ईयर सिर्फ एक ही फिल्म में काम किया था, तेवर, एंड इवन दैट डिडंट परफॉर्म वेरी वेल एट द बॉक्स ऑफिस। शायद इसी वजह से रिपोर्टर्स थोड़े केयरफुल थे, एंड वन सच रिपोर्टर वेरी कॉशियसली आस्क्ड हर दिस क्वेश्चन।
Other than the films that you've done, any other films from 2015 that you're kind of vouching for them this year?
I feel Varun did a fantastic job in Badlapur. The entire team of Badlapur, Nawazuddin, Huma, Varun, Divya Datta, Yami, everyone was fantastic. Other than that, Ranveer in Bajirao, I mean, he was, I think, something else. I have no words for it. I think he's going to sweep all the awards this year.
जैसा आपने सुना कि सोनाक्षी ने इस सवाल का काफी reluctantly जवाब दिया, and then she instantly started speaking about her own upcoming films.
Yeah, so I mean, we had some great films and I'm looking forward to what the film industry has to offer next year, and I'm excited for my next two films, which are Akira and Force, which are also very different from what I've been doing so far.
बस फिर क्या था, रिपोर्टर ने तो ये क्यों मिलते ही उनसे फिल्म अकीरा के बारे में सवाल पूछना शुरू कर दिया, and Sona went on and on about the film, the director, and about Anurag Kashyap as the villain.
It was really, really challenging. Probably my most challenging role so far. Physically, yeah, I had to train in mixed martial arts, and I really enjoy it. So it didn't take that long. I had to train for about a month and a half, and I was ready for the film. He's a genius. Like he's something I don't know. I can't understand how his brain should be, kept in a museum sometime, later, many years to be studied, because he's such a silent man, but he's always thinking. Like the wheels are always turning in his head. Murugadoss sir, he's fit the role. He's fit the character so well. You'll really connect with him in that way, because आप देखोगे तो मतलब you'll actually be scared of him when you see him on screen. He's played the character really, really well. And मैं तो उन्हें convince कर रही थी कि आप actor ही बन जाओ.
वैसे यहाँ सोना से उनकी एक और favorite topic म्यूजिक के बारे में भी बात हुई.
You are also into music now. So yeah, Aaj Mood Ishqalik Hai was amazing.
Thank you.
So do we see any other music videos coming up in 2016?
I want to, yeah. I didn't want this to be a one-off thing. It's something that I'm really passionate about. It's something that I really love to do. So I don't want it to be. The response has been fantastic for my first song. So that kind of gives me the confidence to go ahead and do more in that space.
आज मोर इश्क़ है baby, आज मोर इश्क़ है.
So definitely, I would love to do more songs, sing more songs, make the kind of music videos that I want to feature in, and stuff that I don't regularly get to do, So even if you see the video, it's not something that I've done in any of my movies. So it's basically a passion project for me, something that I will do because I love to do it.
अरे आपकी बातें सुनकर तो लग रहा है कि म्यूजिक ही आपकी पैशन है और एक्टिंग नहीं. चलिए माना कि लास्ट ईयर आपका फिल्मों से ज्यादा म्यूजिक के साथ नाता रहा है, पर सोनाक्षी, how can you say such a thing?
It's basically a passion project for me, something that I will do because I love to do it.
आज मोर आज मूड इश्क है.
Well, moving on. अवार्ड शो का प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस था तो अवार्ड शो की तो बातें होंगी ही.
आपको बेस्ट डेब्यू का अवार्ड मिल चुका है फिल्म फेयर की तरफ से, लेकिन बेस्ट एक्टर का अब तक आपको नहीं मिला है.
एक चांस मिला था बट वो छूट गया. नो वरीज, बट आगे जाकर अभी बहुत समय बाकी है, बहुत काम करना है, अच्छा काम करना है, मेहनत से काम करना है. and जब इन्हें लगेगा कि आई एम वर्दी इनफ, आई एम श्योर दैट दे विल गिव इट टू मी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर.
सोनाक्षी से ये भी पूछा गया whether some live performance ever inspired her to be an actress.
देयर वर टू इंस्टेंसेस. मैं स्कूल में थी या कॉलेज में थी और मैंने स्कूल में चक दे रिलीज़ हुई थी और एक हॉकी प्लेयर, वो एक लड़की थी जो सबसे जो पंजाबन थी, हट्टी कट्टी सी, उसे देखकर मुझे लगा क्या ये रोल में मज़ा आएगा यार, ये रोल प्ले करने में. तो मुझे दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस आई रिमेंबर दैट आई एवर इमेजिन माई सेल्फ, शायद मैं स्क्रीन पर हो पाऊँ तो शायद ये रोल कर पाऊँगी. अदर देन दैट आजा नचले मूवी थी माधुरी जी की. आई वॉच्ड हर डांसिंग इन दैट फिल्म एंड आई वाज लाइक floored. I was like, अगर नाचूंगी तो ऐसे ही नाचूंगी वरना नहीं नाचूंगी.
Well said, Sona. We love you as an actress and as a singer, and we wish you all the best in whatever you do.